Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add text in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and select your video project. Once your clip is loaded, make sure your playhead is at the spot where you want your text to appear. And after that, tap text, then add text. Then type whatever you want, like titles, caption, or quotes. You can adjust the font and you can adjust the font colors also, and position where you just drag where you want to put the text. Then you can also add animations to your text. You can also add effects and pop-up or typewriter. And after that, click export to download. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.